Hey there, welcome back friends. In this video we will try to understand how to import a project directly from GitHub. Alright, so in here we have this URL of a public repository, right? And the name of the project is Hello World, and there is a provision using which we can directly import a project, a GitHub project on Eclipse. Now definitely if we are able to import a GitHub project directly, that would be a convenient thing. So let us do that. We will navigate to Window, Show View, and first of all we will enable the view of Git. So in here search for Git and select this option Git repositories. Alright, and now let me manage things a little. Alright, so this looks good. So this particular perspective is looking good. You can also drag this and place this in here. Again, this is possible, but usually I prefer to keep it just below the project explorer. All right, now for the very first time you will get these options: clone a Git repository, add an existing local Git repository, and create a new local Git repository. But later down the line, if there are already Git repository available inside Eclipse, you will not get these options. Now in that case, we also have this icons, and one of the icon is clone a Git repository. So we can either click on this particular link, clone a Git, or we can use this icon, clone a Git repository. So we will click on this, and we will simply copy this URL and paste this in here. Alright, and username and password is not required in my case because the repository which we are using is a public repository. Alright, so we will click on next. It will try to check the branches. We will select the branch which we want to import. We will import the master branch, and in fact there is only one branch as of now. We will click on next. Everything seems to be good enough, and it is giving me some kind of warning because I had already tested these things previously. In your case you will not get these warning, so it would be like hello world new, and we will click on finish. Alright, so in the background Eclipse is cloning the project, and in couple of seconds we will see this view. Alright, so now if I show you, this is nothing but the repository which is locally available to us. And if we wish to import a project from a repository which is available, even that is possible. We will simply check the working tree, and in the working tree we have this Hello World project. We will right click and import the project. We will click on finish, and here is the project. Right, so this is amazing how easily we can import a project and work with Git. Alright, so this is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if there is any issue with the perspective, you can again reset the perspective or use any of the perspective which suits you, or create or customize perspective. What is a perspective? Perspective is the layout, how the window of Eclipse will look. So let me reset the perspective. Here we go. Alright, so that's it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day and take care.